Welcome back, you guys, to Boxycharms unboxing for the month of October. It is the beginning of the month, which means all of these subscription boxes are going to be rolling out here very soon. So I just got my hands last night on the Boxycharm, and I believe this is our regular box. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. You guys know I like to keep my intros short and sweet, so let's get to it. So this is the one that Boxycharm sent me. I do have two, one that I purchased myself and then one that Boxycharm sends to me. And this is the one that they sent me. So I still haven't gotten any tracking information for the one that I have purchased myself, but you guys know when that one comes in, I will do an unboxing for that also. My box actually weighs 1.1 pounds. Everybody wish me luck. I have a full beat. I am going to be going to work here soon, and I'm going to be wearing a mask all day, and I'm crazy to wear the lashes. I could take them off, but we're going to try it out and see how it works. Why won't this open? There it is. This month's theme has candy. I freaking love Halloween. That's why I love Halloween. Not so much for all the like dressing up and stuff, but more so for the candy. So I've already bought a big ass bag of candy and have gone through about half of it already. All right, number one thing, which I'm very excited about because they actually posted one of their sneak peeks. I had like the 3 sneak peeks, and this one was one of them, which is the one that I really wanted, which is the Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. And this is in Teami Bikini. And I'm super like into Sol de Janeiro right now. I'm like obsessed with everything. I think they're coming out, or they just came out with like their new fragrance, and I really want to smell it and see, get like a nice little whiff of it, see if it's something I want. Oh, I was hoping it would smell like their signature scent, but this is the shade right here. It's like a bright pink on camera. It definitely has more of that muted pink, but ooh, I really had to work that product in. See, in order for it to like turn into that color, I really have to work that product in. So I think it'll actually end up being okay on my lips. I think it'll actually just give it like a nice flush, but I was really hoping that the smell would be a lot more similar to like their Boom Boom cream, and it's not. It's like, it's just standard. It is a sheer and buildable lip tint is what it says. It's supposed to moisturize for soft, luscious lips. Next up I have is in this little bag. It is by Luxie Beauty. I freaking love Luxie. Go ahead and open it up. Oh, there we go. And then you get a set of brushes. They are all eye brushes. Let's see. But I'm gonna let them unmold a little bit. They're kind of like flat from being in the bag. But I do get excited about these brushes. I really do love Luxie brushes. I think Luxie brushes are like really good as far as like the quality goes, the longevity of them. They are amazing. They remind me a lot of like my Sigma brushes, which honestly are like some of my most long lasting brushes that I've ever had. I don't have any shedding ever with them. They're just really great, dependable brushes, and I definitely think they're worth the money. I'm super excited to have this because I know for a fact I'll use these. And this little bag. Sometimes with these little bags, oh, that's much better. I was a little bit nervous because when it was inside, you saw how like difficult it was for me to pull it out. But now that I have the packaging all off, you can see that they kind of fall in there really nicely. So I really do enjoy having stuff like this also for traveling because it makes it nice to kind of have everything separated, and it looks like you could carry quite a few face brushes in there. So I'll definitely use that. Dang, pretty good box so far, and I've only opened 2 things. The next thing I have in here is by Dose of Colors. You guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm super excited about this box already, and we're only on product number 3. I did get the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. I have the shade number 11, Light Medium. Oh, this is really light, but I think this is gonna be the perfect shade for underneath the eyes. And there you have it swatched on the back of the hand. In here, it looks a lot lighter, but once I swatched it on my hand, it comes out a little bit more pinker tone, which is fine because I was a little bit nervous. This might be a little too light, but the packaging is very like thick and similar to, I would say, like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer or the Covergirl it's the Covergirl Undercover Concealer. Got that big, like thick, round packaging to it. Around the beginning of the year, they said that they were going to implement more like concealers and bronzers and stuff like that. So to go onto your profile, make sure you click on your you know, what shade ranges you are, or what you would prefer, so that way they can match you perfectly to like concealer or foundation or whatever it is. 3 items down, super excited to go. Next one we have here is a set of lashes. This is by the brand Lava Lashes. These are gorgeous. Holy moly. Can't figure out how you open it. Oh, there it is. Nope. Yep, there it is. Holy moly. Look at how pretty. These are so pretty. They're really big and like vavoom kind of a style. Very wispy at the same time too. Oh my gosh, it's like a scroll. Look at how pretty. Oh yeah, shows you how to take care of your lashes, how to apply them. Very cute. Last thing I have is by Ciate London, and am I saying it right? Is it Ciate? I want to say it is, but you guys correct me in the comments below, let me know. But this is the Editor palette, and here recently I feel like I've been getting a lot more products from this brand, and I've really enjoyed a lot of the products that I've received so far from this brand. It's definitely one of those brands that I need to stop when I'm at my local Ulta and just like actually dive into and check out, because I feel like I always kind of just walk by them. Like I don't give them the opportunity, and I need to, because every product I've tried so far I've really enjoyed. One of them, FYI, side note, is the XXL mascara. I have it right now. This one right here, this is their triple shot XXL mascara. I cannot put this down. It is phenomenal. And I have like short lashes that just like fall all the time with any mascara. And this works incredible. Like it makes them thicker and longer. They look good throughout the day and they don't irritate my eyes. Side note, it's a really great mascara. So I was trying to say is I definitely need to give the brand more of a look when I'm at Ulta, you know? All right, so here is this palette. This is called the Editor palette, and it says New England. It's an 18-piece eyeshadow palette set. Ooh, I see a lot of shimmers there. Look at how pretty this is. Very colorful. Oh, my camera is having a major issue trying to get a hold. Let's see if I can get closer. There we go. Look at how gorgeous that is. I want to scoot in a little bit closer because I feel like I'm not getting it right there. There we go. So there you have the first row right here. First row. I would say that gold right here is just a little bit hard to work with, but that's row 1. They're very creamy is what I'm getting. Ooh, that first row, man. I didn't think it was going to be that good. The second row is like getting better and better. It's almost like these more vibrant shades seem to be, oh no, I was gonna say the more vibrant shades seem to be doing a lot better, but these two deeper browns right here seem to be doing good. So this is the second row. Let me show you guys a little side by side so you guys can see. So there you have the second row right here. I think the second row so far is like my favorite row, but I like that there's a lot of different colorful shades, but they're not like super over the top, you know? I don't know why I want to say Gold Digger, but I'm thinking the first thing I think of is Gold Digger color right there. I have that Kanye West song stuck in my head. I remember when that Gold Digger song came on, I had that thing as my ringtone, you guys, and I had the flip phone, the red flip phone. I'm totally aging myself, and like it would come on, but it wasn't even the real song. It was like dee, 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 like one of those things. It was bad, but you know what? I thought it was so cool. And then there you have, that is the last row right there. Let me do, here's the thing. Let me do the top row again because my hands were so dry. I feel like maybe the first row was just like not good. So let's try the first row again. But still, I feel like the first row just for me isn't doing as much as I'd like it to. But there you have it. I mean, you can see that the more metallic shades got a little bit deeper, but I don't know. I still think the last two rows, these two rows right here, definitely are popping for me. So that's incredible. I really like that palette, you guys. That is a great palette. And there's a nice mix of mattes, really good colors that you can create, you know, different looks just using one palette, and a lot of really great pops of color that aren't super intense, but like soft, or you can make them a little bit more intense. So I like that there's a mix of colors with neutrals and pops of color, and then colors that are just a little bit more deeper as well. So I'm really excited about this box, you guys. Let me just preface by saying that this is probably one of the best boxes that I've received in a very long time. I'm probably gonna have to go back and figure out how long ago it was since I got a box that I couldn't believe every freaking product was just phenomenal. You know, I might get comments in the bottom saying that, well, so your PR box, so of course your PR is gonna be better than your regular, but we'll see. Don't knock me out right now. Let's see how my paid box goes. This is my PR box, but let's see how my paid box goes. And I will say that I've gotten PR boxes in the past too that were not as good as the one that I actually got, that I actually paid for myself. Still waiting on the shipping confirmation. Hopefully I'll get it next week sometime. That is one of my boxes for Boxycharm for the month of October. You guys let me know down below if you guys have seen anything that you guys are getting in your boxes already, or if any of you guys have already gotten your tracking information, you know, sent out or whatever. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, night, whatever it is. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will take the time and hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. If you guys haven't seen my newest videos, I will link some right here for you guys to check out. And don't be scared. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.